Hi guys, good afternoon from Dubai. Just to give you a very quick update on what's going on, I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend. First of all, the 2 weeks free webinar has finished, it's completed. I hope all of you enjoyed it and I hope you made money. Second, I will be canceling all the weekly outlooks for the rest of the year because I have a course starting on the 28th, which is next Monday. I'll be focused on that. A lot of traders who have made money during the last week have taken the course. And for those of you who don't have enough capital to do so, I'm opening an installment setup for you guys, which means you can pay $200 a month or more until you reach the cost of the course, and then you will have access to the group and you don't have to pay a single cent after that, right? So there is no excuse for saying, hey, I have a small account, it's only $5,000, I can't take out the money to pay you for your course, but I love what you do. If you love what I do, I get this a lot from you guys, you can join now and you can get it. When you join, if you join the course, you get everything free. After that, once you join, it's for lifetime. If you're joining the subscription, the installment payment, you will get my daily webinars. I think you know how that works already because you've seen it. You had it 2 weeks free. Now, that will not make you a professional trader, but it's going to guide you in trades you can take for the day. For you to become an independent professional trader, you will definitely need to take the course and get all the practices we do. So it's not just the theoretical part, which you're going to get a couple of recordings. It's the practice that we constantly do with our traders. So you get about 4 weeks of practice session immediately, and then you get continuous practice session in our trading room with our traders. We create separate groups for that. We're restructuring the group to make sure those who are lagging, we're going to do one-on-one with them. We already started it. A lot of my successful traders are connected with one of the struggling traders, and we try to make everybody successful. So there's a lot of things we do in the group continuously to make you successful and independent so that you can take trades on your own. We have more than 60% of successful traders, so that is not a problem. Connecting one with one, pretty much everybody gets benefit. And that's the good thing about not having to pay to stay in my group, because then the successful traders don't go away. They stay because they stay, they get more benefits, they learn, and they continue to get better, and they help somebody. Every now and then a successful trader will find himself in a little problem, in a little tight spot. And that's where they come to me and I do a one-on-one with them. We straighten things out and we get everything going well. They can go to any one of the other successful traders or senior traders or one of those trainers and they will get the same help. They can go in the trading room, talk about it, and then traders are going to say, okay, why don't you do this and why don't you do that? And straighten out things. Like that is a bad trade. This is not a good trade. Cut this one. Do with that with this one. What do you think is going to go next? All of this stuff is, you get continuously help in the room. That is why joining the group is more important than just taking, just finding the daily webinar interesting. The daily webinar will help you, but it's not going to make you a successful long-term independent trader. So if you like what I do and you've been watching it for free for 2 weeks, not all of you did. I hope all of you would have watched it. I mean, there are 22,000 subscribers on my YouTube video. Not all of them are very active. I hope all of them can be active because this will really help you to become successful. And, if you like what I do, there are about 5,000 people who watch on an average every webinar. If these 5,000 people like what I do, you can still get it, and you can still get it daily if you're serious about trading. My job is helping people who are serious about trading. If you just want to have the fun of, trade for the fun of it, then probably not the right place to be. Right? If you're just enjoying yourself, clicking trades just because you wanted that, then just continue to do what you're doing. So again, hope you're having a wonderful weekend. And I would just end it right here because there's not much more to say, except that maybe for those of you who didn't see the webinars, let me give you an update of what we've been saying. If you've been following me, remember when it was coming down, I told you that it was going to go up, and I'm telling you it's going to go up some more. Am I correct? Well, you go look at my webinars and tell. Euro is going to go up. Is it going up? Well, yes, I'm correct about that too. Pound is going to go up when it comes to this low. Is it going up? Yes, I'm correct about that too. Aussie is going to eventually go up. Aussie is now starting, so Aussie has a lot more to go. Do you think I'll be right about that? Come back 3 months from now and tell me, right? I like the trolls come and they make a little noise at the bottom here, and then they disappear when they see it starts to go. Where are the trolls talking about euro now? Any one of them there? No, they're gone, right? Same here. Yen wasn't much. Yen is still sideways. We're going to do that. But there's a lot more very, very good trade setups that we've been showing you. a lot that you can really make money from. If you were in the 2 weeks on the 1 hour, there was a ton of trade setups I showed you here on the 1 hour. Look at them. We showed you this buy. We showed you that buy. We showed you this buy. We showed you this buy. There are more buys coming. Much more. There will be some sells in a deeper correction. When it starts to make the 4 hour and the daily corrections, you're going to get sell setups, and then you're going to get more buy setups. This is a never-ending cycle. That's why it's called wave analysis. You can see the waves as you go along, right? You can literally see them as you go along. Well, we tell you how to trade them. We tell you how to manage them. We tell you how to identify them. So if you like what I do, you're welcome. Join us. If you don't, continue doing what you're doing, and I wish you all the best. Thank you for your time. Have a great weekend, and I would see you. Some of you already paid, and some of you are still going to pay. You have a week more for the course, and for the subscription or the installment, you can pay anytime. You can start paying anytime. You can pay any amount above 200. Once you meet 2.5, you're in the group, and you don't have to pay anything else after that for the rest of your life. It's not like those subscriptions where they charge you $50 or $100 for the rest of your life, right? You just keep paying them and you make no money. So make your choice. The choice you make today will depend what you will be tomorrow. You want to be a successful trader? Make a choice. You just want to trade for fun? Make a choice. You want to troll me? You make a choice. Tomorrow you'll be a better troll, right? There are people who've been trolling me for 3 years now. They're not trading. They just keep trolling me. I guess they're very good trolls. They're actually professional trolls, but they can't trade and they don't make money. They're just professional trolls. That's it. The choice you make today will determine what you become tomorrow. Wish you all the best and see you in my group. Take care. Bye-bye.